Let's look at the setup in your hand. We have three distinct sections to it: the hearing aid, the tube and the earpiece, and the bit that connects the two. It's tricky to see, but there are two screw points, one close to the hearing aid and one attaching the tube. This connector is often known as the elbow or the hook, and it houses a filter which we don't want to damage. For cleaning and maintaining your hearing aids, we recommend cleaning the earpiece regularly with wet wipes, ideally ones with little or no fragrance, as this can be irritating on the skin. If there is something stuck in the tube, such as wax, and it's affecting the sound, you can clean this out using a cleaning wire. When using the cleaning wire, it's very important to remember the three separate parts, as you don't want to run the cleaning wire through the hook, damaging the filter. You screw the tube off, leaving the hook attached to the hearing aid. Then take the tubing and run the cleaning wire through towards the earpiece at the other end, and pull it straight through. This will clear out anything blocking the tube. Then to reattach, you want to line up the tube in the hearing aid and give a firm press, and you should feel a slight click as it goes into the first thread. Twist it roughly 2 times and that should be you back up and running. We usually recommend changing the tube every 6 months, and you can do this yourself at home. If you don't already have spare tubes and domes, you can follow the instructions on the back of your battery card and send a note requesting new tubes to us, and we'll send them out to you. An important thing to note when reattaching the tubes or putting new ones on is that each hearing aid is specific to an ear. You have a right aid and you have a left aid. You can tell which one is which if you open the battery door. There should be a little marker. In this case it's red. Red is your right ear and blue is your left ear. On the tubing there is also a little marker, in this case another red marker, and it also mentions the size of the tubing that you have. You want to make sure you're putting red with red and blue with blue, so you're not putting the wrong hearing aid on the wrong ear.